And here's the homemade Eggslut Fairfax breakfast sandwich. Step number one, I cut up one onion. I'm going to cook it on olive oil for about 15 minutes to caramelize them. After about 15 minutes, onions are looking good. The next step is the sauce. It's a simple sauce, sriracha mayonnaise. For this sandwich, we're gonna need a brioche bun, eggs, butter, creme fraiche, chives, sliced cheese, the sauce we just made, and caramelized onions we just made. Now, as you can see, the butter is almost melted entirely. Keep stirring, keep stirring, keep stirring. Do not stop stirring. All right, it's been about 6-7 minutes, and it's finally starting to thicken. Ten minutes in, this is what you get. All right, it's finally starting to look like eggs. Creme fraiche. Keep stirring. Here it is, Eggslut Fairfax breakfast sandwich. Homemade Eggslut Fairfax sandwich. Alright, here's the sandwich. Eggslut Fairfax. That's what the sandwich looks like. Took a long time to make the sandwich. It was hard work making the sandwich, so I hope it tastes good. Let's go for a bite. Alright, a little kick from sriracha mayo. The caramelized onions really go well with this sandwich. It's turning out. It's a good sandwich. It's a very good sandwich. Would I make it again? No. Why? Because it takes 20 minutes to make. And if you make regular eggs and you add all the stuff that I added into this sandwich to make it a Fairfax sandwich, it's gonna taste the same in my opinion. Making eggs this way, stirring, scrambling for 20 minutes, I don't know, it didn't make a huge difference in my opinion. Especially if you're gonna make a sandwich out of it. So all in all, it's a good sandwich. Tastes good. It took about 15-20 minutes to make. So that's the part that I didn't like. Did it make a huge difference? I'm gonna say no. On a scale from 1 to 5, this sandwich is a 4. It's a good sandwich. It's not a great sandwich, it's an egg sandwich. That's all I got for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.